Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to design a newsletter in Canva for beginners in 2024. So are you ready to engage your audience and share valuable insights with a beautiful designed newsletter? Today, we're diving into Canva, which is a versatile platform that makes designing newsletter a breeze for beginners in 2024. Whether you are sending updates, promotions, or educational content, Canva offers intuitive like tools and templates to help you create a newsletter that captivates your readers. So join me in this video and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and sign up with Canva if you don't have an account, or sign in or log in into your account if you have an account. To do so, we'll need or will require a browser. So open whatever suits you. Here I'm using Brave. You can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically just go to this URL section. Here type canva.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, if you're logged into your account, you'll find yourself here. If it's your first time, you will find yourself instead on a page like this with a login option at the top right corner and a sign up if you don't have an account. So if you have an account, click on it to log in into your account. You can use one of those ways, and same will be for sign up. You can use, as you can see, Apple, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Clever, email, work email, and login with email. Of course, email for work is existed there also. So once you logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here right away. Of course, you can start looking for the template that you want for your newsletter. You can simply go here and click on more and look for newsletter first of all, as an example. If you don't want to keep looking in here, simply you can just go and type here newsletter as an example and hit the enter button. Once you do so, as you can see, they will give you templates for newsletter. Of course, you can use these filters to simplify like the newsletters that you want, template that you want. As you can see, you can filter by category, style. You can even use all of them at the same time, like themes, feature, grade, subject, topic, and even the price. If it's require pro or just free, I'll just choose free. As an example, maybe a black newsletter or something like that. And click on apply. As you can see, once I do so, I'll get the newsletter. So I choose maybe, an example, I'll choose this one. Or I don't know, maybe I'll choose this one. Why not? So simply just go and click on that. Or of course, as you can see, you'll be able to look for multiple ones, like maybe this one. I'll just simply click on it. Of course, I'll be able to see more like it if I want to. If I don't, I'll basically just go and click on customize this templates. As you can see, it's fully customizable. You'll be able to edit and download this on the go and share it or publish it anywhere. So for me, I'll just go and click on customizable or customize it. And here you are. Here's your newsletter. You'll be able to customize every single object on this newsletter. It's time for you to make it your own. Design it until it suits your needs. You can change text. You can change the picture that's in here. As example, I don't like this. I'll just remove it and change it with something that I have. I don't know. So I'll be able to use the drag and drop elements as example if I wanna. I can even get some AI pictures. Maybe an example. Click on open here and try to get like I don't know building or high buildings picture as example. I'll just type here high, like high buildings, and hit the enter button. See what they're gonna give us. This AI as example, Magic Media. It's actually very good to have it. So we'll have to wait until they generate for us some high building pictures. If you like one, as example, maybe I like this one. Maybe we're talking about the future as an example, and I can use this one and enter it right here. So of course I'll have to resize it until it's match the things in here. And as you can see, we add it simply. Of course, you can add even a QR code as an example if you're trying to drive like traffic to specific websites, maybe your website's newsletter. So as an example, I'll just type here google.com. Let's say here you'll have to enter your URL and click on generate code. They'll generate the code. So simply make it smaller and put it on the bottom right corner. Of course, I can put it or wherever I want. Make sure it's small a bit so it will not interfere with your newsletter. It will not be annoying for the readers. Or you can even not even include it if you don't want to. And as I said, you'll be able to customize everything about it. So make it your own. Add content sections, include some visual elements, play with colors and typography. You'll be able to do everything. And once you're done with your like designs in here and add an element, text, and etc., make sure to review And once you're satisfied, like with your result, just design, take a moment to review it and make any final adjustment, like double check the accuracy of the content, see if you have any spelling issues, any pictures not in their colors, maybe it does not match or something like that, and make sure all elements are properly aligned together. So, example, I'll make it smaller a bit until it's aligned with this. Of course, you can make it bigger so you can see if it's aligning good or not. So, example, just make it align with the text here and with the text here also. As simple as that. I can even make it like align with the last of this. And yeah, the same will be as example for this QR code. I can make it bigger and align with the last of this. So make sure alignment is good also. And yeah, you'll be good to go. Now, once you check everything is good, you can, of course, click on share at the top right corner. And you can add some people, first of all, to make some changes with you if you want to. Or you can share this with people to give you feedbacks. If you're working with a team, just share it with those people, as example. And you can simply, anyone with the link, choose here anyone with the link and share the link with them. So people will be able to see your work, like your team example, you can share it with your team and see, or they can give you feedback so if they want something to be changed. You can even add them as a team in here so they can edit with you if you trust their like designs. And once you're done, you'll be able to download it. So click on download, you'll be able to download it as PDF, as a PNG, GPG, as you can see, as a video, as a GIF, if you have some animations, example, or even as SVG, but this will require Canva Pro. I'll go into that later on. And yeah, of course, if you want like more edits and etc., you will require Canva Pro. So as I said, if you're interested about Canva Pro, you want to see the prices, I'll just show you here. So the Pro, click on see prices. So as you can see, it's a 55 US dollars per year, which is pretty decent, not that much. You can start your free trial right now. So 30 days. If you like it, you can stay on it. If you don't, you can simply cancel it and come back to the free. And of course, even if they say here, like for one person, you can use it for your team. Like they can all log into the same, they just should not work in the same time. So make sure to share it with your friends, example, so you can use it together. And as example, you can split the bill between 3 of you or 2 of you. So it will be cheaper. Of course, as you can see, you get 1 terabyte of storage, so you'll never run out of storage, even if you have like other people on it. If you want to pay monthly, be my guest, as you can see, $6.5 per month, which is good. And if you split this again, it will be even cheaper. And yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. So there you have it, a beginner guide on how to start designing a newsletter in Canva in 2024. With its user-friendly interface and customizable templates, Canva empowers you to create some newsletter that informs, like inspire, and even engage your audience. So if you're ready to elevate your communication efforts, sign up for Canva today and start designing your own stunning newsletter. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.